Add in a little shot of benny, a little pimento and a garlic. Give me a little toss again. Yeah, morning, welcome to Trinidad. Trinidad, welcome, morning, Bodow. We don't know, we just lineman vibes in a little bit. Foodie Nation by me here, so we're doing a little small thing here. We're down through Trinidad and Tobago, how we just really start to prep the fish, how we just put everything together from foundation to finish. Yeah? Why does peel my pine differently? All the eye remaining, I get time to shave and shave, you know. I just do it like this. Yeah, shadow benny, garlic, normal routine, a little salt, pepper. See that? Next one. We will do a little special, we put some tamarind sauce in this oil, this chow here now, not no, you know. Doing a different chow. It's just for us, you know. This is not, you know what I mean? This is just... Add in a little shot of benny, a little pimento and a garlic. Give me a little toss again. So they know Trinidad Tobago, they see how we just be doing it, as I show you, everything going piece by piece, step by step. But when it comes to Bodow, this is what we do it. You know the river mouth right here, you can't miss it at all. You have a lovely view as you can see. So long as you come along this coastline here, look out for we here. Bodow. We're just open from Tuesday to Sundays from 11:30 until. Sometimes we go until about 11, sometimes we go, it all depends on how the road run. But call us, we have a contact number. 305-5781. 283-5859.